stop. We'll wait for people to pass through.
Hey, Nora.
Hello guys, Ingelton Waterfalls today. You excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, I bet you are.
Third oats on one, that's fine. 27.50 on there, thanks.
27.50.
Yeah. But have a good one.
Thank you very
Take your
much.
time, don't lose anyone, and the weather
Just
is
for you.
better than this morning, so this is good.
Thank you. Jam-packed with people. People everywhere. Very difficult to take a picture or a decent video. There's always somebody in the way. Oh well, I guess that's what you get when you're visiting very popular spots. And we've just come into our first big fall. Look at that. You can just see it in the distance there. Oh, look at this. Gorgeous place. And Waterfalls. You see a little rainbow resonating from the splashes of water.
How's your jumbo dog?
Nice ice cream.
There's your ice cream dog. No thanks.
So the little hot dog slash ice cream break is over, and we're gonna crack on with this Ingelton waterfall trail. Alex, what was the next waterfall?
Hollybush Spout.
Be careful, please. Where are you going? Be careful. We now have come to Thornton Forest. So we just finished our first half of the trail. Now we'll have a bit of a walk through the fields to the other half.
You know what I can't wait for?
Oh, careful.
Already give me flowers.
Yeah, you see? You see, I risk my
Okay,
life.
give me properly.
I risk my
Say
life.
me something nice and give
I
me
risk
them.
my life to get these flowers.
Thanks.
You're welcome. And now we're being hit with the rain. All there was pretty good. The whole trail. And now, by the end of it, we're getting hit with the rain. So there we are, ladies and gents. Ingelton Waterfall Trail. Done. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe for more awesome videos, and we will see you in the next one. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.